Right, so hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to save a Word document to your desktop. So I've seen currently Word has been automatically saving itself to OneDrive or to an unknown location. So let's fix that, shall we? So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your start button and open Word. Okay, so you have a Word document. This is a Word document. Okay, so this is my Word document. So what you're going to do to save it, so you're going to click on File right here, go into Save As. Don't go into Save, go to Save As. Okay, click Browse, go into your desktop, okay, and just type in, just name your document, okay, and click on Save. Then close that, and you can see your document is in your desktop. So it's a very simple way of having your Word document and your important files on your desktop where you can access them easily. So that's all for this video, guys. Do drop a like if it helped you, comment, share, and subscribe. So that's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.